You want to do that now or later, it's up to you. But I would do the exhibit observation before the touring buses get here, because you have to go through security once again. Go back in and do the exhibit observation. All right, guys. You know where the visitor center is to the left? You got to walk to the palm tree area, go down the stairs, through security, do the exhibit observation. The observation, best panoramic view. Exhibits is where your photo is located they took of you on the ticketing. So you got that and this building on the left. Thank you guys. Have a good day here.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
All
right, so yeah, David, Steven, turn around, boys. Turn around. We're gonna get a picture. Stop. Turn around. Here, stand up. Oh, you don't look through the viewfinder like a regular camera, even though it's digital. Yeah. Thank you.
All right, so this is the other side of the Hoover Dam. Look at the color of that water. Turquoise. It's gorgeous. You see fish?
Yeah. Where's the damn bait?
That looks like a catfish or carp or something.
Oh, wow. There's a fish.
Yeah, there's some more right there.
Yeah, right below.
Yeah, I see the fish. Awesome. There's
What the
one.
hell are those?